This video shows an easy way to get rid of a background of an image or even to change the background. Have you ever dropped an image into your Google slideshow only to end up with this white background behind it when you'd really rather it just be clear and match the color of your background of your slideshow? There's an easy way to do this using a website called remove.bg or remove.bg. You simply copy the picture you want and paste it into this site using Control V. And then you click the download button. And the image that it downloads is without the background. And then you can upload it from your computer. And this time when you paste it in, you have the image with no background or a clear image or clear background, and it matches the background of your slideshow. Simple as that. When we're getting images, we need to keep image licensing in mind. We can't just take any old image. It needs to be labeled as Creative Commons or reuse with modifications, for example. If you get your images from a place like Unsplash or Pixabay, all of their images are labeled as Creative Commons, and those are fine to use. If you do grab an image from Google Images, there are some ways you can define or refine your search. For example, you can search by color or by clip art, but for image reuse, you want to look to this column where it says labeled for reuse with modification or labeled as just reuse, for example, but make sure you're picking one of these and not just grabbing any old image from Google. Another cool thing you can do with remove.bg is change your background. For example, if I take my Bitmoji image and copy it and paste it into remove.bg using Control V, I paste the image in, and remove.bg has some backgrounds you can choose from. So I'm just going to pick one with an ocean behind me. And then you can also use the eraser tool to erase anything you don't want in the image. So I'm just going to erase this words behind me. And once you get it the way you want it, you can just hit the download button and it will create an image with your new background. And then you can download the image. It will put that in your downloads folder or wherever you choose to save it. Then you can insert the image from your computer with the new background. So it's a handy tool. I use it all the time. So maybe you can find some use for it too. Thanks for watching.